Hey foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making another classic Jamaican dish. This time it's a side dish and it's rice and peas. Here I have all the ingredients that I'll be using. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I hope y'all enjoy. In a large pot, we're going to add 3 cups of water, our red peas, some salt, and some garlic to top it off. We're going to let it come to a boil and then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the beans are tender. This step is crucial because it infuses the beans with all those amazing flavors. Once it starts boiling, you'll notice that the peas are starting to float, and to get them back under the water, you can add another cup of water. Then we're going to go ahead and add some more spices to season this peas, because we want this peas to be tender. So we're going to add our allspice berries. We're going to add some thyme. We're going to add some scallions and some more water. Then let it cook for a good 30 minutes. But if you're using kidney beans that's soaked overnight, then only 15 minutes or so. Now that our beans are cooked and smelling fantastic, it's time to add our coconut milk, and this gives the rice a rich, creamy texture that's essential for this dish. We're also going to add our sugar, cinnamon, and our ginger as well. Then we're going to go ahead and mix everything together because we want everything to blend together, because when we're eating that rice and peas, we want to taste all the flavors. And you see that rich color that it has just cooking the peas? That's how you want it to look. Now it's time to add our rice. We're using long grain brown rice, which we've washed thoroughly. We're going to add the rice to the pot and give it a good stir to make sure it's evenly distributed. And we're also going to add a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for the authentic Jamaican flavor. We're going to cover the pot and let it cook on low heat until the rice is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. Usually it takes about 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it, perfectly cooked Jamaican rice and peas. This dish is so fragrant and flavorful. It pairs beautifully with our oxtail or any other Caribbean main course. Serve it up hot and watch your guests' faces light up with delight. It's the perfect comfort food for any occasion. Thanks for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious Jamaican rice and peas. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to snap a photo and tag me on social media. I'd love to see how it turns out for you. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future recipes, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep experimenting in the kitchen and happy cooking. See you soon!